For third place, I would like to call Joe Roberts from Italtrans Racing Team. For second place, I would like to call Tony Arbolino, Elfma PDS Racing. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the winner, Pedro Costa from Red Bull KTM Ajo. Ladies and gentlemen, please make a lot of noise for all your winners. And now, I would like to call our guest to give the award to the winning constructor. I would like to request Akbar Ibrahim, Federation of Motorsports Clubs of India President. For third place, I would request Mr. B.S. Sujit, FIM Asia Vice President, to come up on stage. And now to give prize to the second place, Mr. Jorge Villegas, FIM President. And now, to give the prize to our winner, I would request Shri Shrikant Madhav Vaidya, Chairman, Indian Oil Corporation Limited.